Hi! In front of me is HONOR Magic4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic text correction on this device. You need to begin by opening device's settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose System and Updates. Then you need to click on Language and Input, Microsoft Keyboard, and finally Typing. Over here, tap on this switcher next to Autocorrect feature, and as you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by choosing this same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!